Hello everyone, are you looking for an AI image art generator? Then you are in the right place. I'm going to introduce you to Microsoft Bing's new AI text-to-image art generator which is powered by DALLE. Go to your browser and search for bing.com/images/create. You will be welcomed with this interface. These are the images generated by this tool. You will get some daily coins which you can use to generate images really fast. If you run out of these coins, the image generation will be slow. You can enter the prompt and click create. This will take few seconds. Here it will generate 4 variations of the images. You can click any image and click download button to download the image. You can click surprise me button to generate a random image. Generate another image. Yeah, this is Microsoft's AI tool. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.